Hello. Let's see. I hope this was recording. Hi, welcome back. I'm Kaylee, in case you're new. Thank you for joining today. We're gonna do a little BoxyCharm unboxing, but first we're going to mask a little bit together. How about that? So first I'm gonna put on some lip balm. We're just gonna hang out a minute. What do you guys think? Get yourself a drink, and this is a Sarah Happ, the Dream Slip, the lip expert. This is the Dream Slip. It's just that. And next, for around my eyes, I was gonna use this Laneige water sleeping mask. See, I was gonna do this myself anyways, like, you know, just myself. But I figured, let me check something real quick. Yes, I figured I would do it with you guys. So I don't really have a mirror. I mean, I do, but let's see. Can I see him in the mirror? There we go. So this is just like a water sleeping mask where I'm going to be using like a detox mask. So I've been breaking out. It seems there's nothing there, but like I see something under my, in there, like under my skin, you know? So I've been wanting to do this detox mask. And like I said, might as well do it with you guys. And we're gonna unbox the BoxyCharm while this sits on my face, and then I'll let you guys go while I go wash it and all that. This is Colleen Rothschild Clarifying Detox Mask. Oh man, and I brought a little spatula. I have tried this before. I do enjoy it. I have been using other detox masks. Oh, but I haven't used this in a while. Did I let it dry out? I may have. I have no idea. I need to mix it up with some oil maybe. I don't know, you guys. I haven't used this in so long that I don't remember if it's supposed to, I think I let it dry out. This is quite embarrassing. This was not part of the plan at all. Like I said, I used it, but it was months ago, and since I just purchased that set, because like I said, I bought the set and I tried the stuff and I've been waiting for the sales. So here we go. There's the problem. I've been also thinking, like, you know, I hear more and more people like the first impressions, or I mean don't like first impressions. This is not cool, you guys. Where's an oil? Do I have an oil here in my room? Wow, total fail. Okay, guess what? We are going to, let's mix it. How about that? I'm gonna concoct my own thing. I'm gonna mix it with this sleepy mask in my hand here, and maybe I can make it, oh, that's probably too much. Maybe I can make it like more pliable and get this on my face. I don't know. Can, this is me overthinking it, and then that is so funny, you guys. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. I'm literally, it's dried, so use your products up, you guys, because this is the whole thing about panning. I was just talking to Jersey about it because he was listening to what I was listening to. He's like, why is everybody all about this project panning? And I'm like, not everybody, it's just what I've been watching. You know, whatever you're consuming yourself, whatever you're consuming media-wise, it's what's going on in your life. You know what I mean? You can consume whatever media you want, and it's gonna fill you up, fill that mind up. And it's gonna fill your mind up, and that's what you're gonna be. So yeah, he's like, I'm like teaching him, like, it depends what you're watching, you know? It's not like everybody's talking about it. It's just what I've been watching. That's what we're gonna be done with, okay? This is weird. I'm gonna mix this up with like an oil at another moment, but it's not working really great here. I do have the face oil, the 9. I think it could work if I gave it more time, but you guys, this is so silly. This is silly. But this is also, I'm not deleting this. I'm not gonna stop because this is real live funniness. So yeah, and I also have like a little bump up here. What is up with these bumps on my skin that I have had clear skin for about a year, but you know what I really think it is? I haven't been like as good with my skincare, obviously. So I have a little napkin here. I did not have it handy enough. I actually had something else handy, but I don't want to use a Shiseido cotton pad to do that. Next, we're done with that. That was funny. That was funny. Matthias is here. I told him he can watch his show. You guys don't mind him, right? His show's in the background. It's YouTube. You guys probably heard Pilar's show the other day. It's like, I'm like, you guys, let's entertain them while I go do a video, and then after we go outside and do all the other stuff. Ooh, I see something here right now. Tart. Because it's not like I'm sitting here making videos all day, every day. This is what I was really thinking, because I was like, I want to share this, upload this quicker than my last few months. I've been kind of late, but it's because I'm like always waiting. I'm waiting so I could put a face on for you guys, but here we are. Semi-Precious. I was Celestial, Beam Me Up, Easy Go, Up and Atom, West Star Bashful, Upon a Star, and The Game. Ooh, I haven't tried these. I've tried a couple of the ColourPop. This isn't going to be good because I feel like I have mask on me. That tissue, I feel like I need to wash my hands, you know? Somebody's probably thinking, you're getting the sleeping mask right into the product. Maybe. Those are pretty. Can we see those? Probably not, huh? Okay. Let's do them this way. Okay. I'm messing up total bad, guys. I dipped the same finger in this the green one. Can we see? Somewhere in my face you can be able to see. Well, I totally would want to do like a look with this. There we go. What was that one? The last one? There, that's better. Here's my crusty elbows, right? So, I can't wait to play with that. The Brow Gal, I've tried the powder and it's good. It's very like light, like it's not like a, you know, bam pigment. It builds up. It's buildable, the powder one. So yeah, it was good. This is and I've tried the gel also, but I don't think it was tinted brow gel. I don't know. I have tried some. I have another one. I should go look at it because I don't want to open too many. Okay. The next, oh, you know what? I should have just stopped that and went on with this, right? Matthias, hand me a wipey from the closet there. We're going to do that. That's what I should have done. From this closet right there. Here's you some scissors because you're going to need to open up a bag. Want to see what wipes we use? A bunch of Honest Company. You'll see the links below if you want to get you some. I get my bundles. I've been getting them since Pilar was a baby. So like, well, she's 4. She's going to be 5. You guys, my Pilar is going to be 5. Okay, this other thing. My feet are falling asleep. Adesse, A-D-E-S-S-E. High Definition Liquid Lipstick. Liquid lipstick. Okay. Total epic fail. Well, I'm gonna do that mask off camera because, like I said, my feet are falling asleep. I like doing videos that are standing up, so next time I'm gonna lift everything up. Ooh, this color, I can already tell you, I'm gonna enjoy it. I don't know if I'm gonna enjoy the formula, but the color seems like really cool. And this is Pro Glow. Oh, exposed. Okay, thank you. Because I'm sure I'll have to leave that on for a little bit, so. Exposed, okay. Oh, here I go. I'm gonna swatch this, but not the lipstick. That's not smart. Here we go, we'll smart both of them for you guys. Thank you. Let's see. Thank you, Matias. That's pretty. Is it a gloss? high definition liquid lipstick. It feels kind of sticky. Did you see the way it like went like that? Like the gooiness? That like, but it seems okay. Let's test it in a little bit. See if it dries down or whatnot. And usually BoxyCharm comes with like a little smaller card, but now it's like a pull out. That's interesting. So this Tartist Pro Glow, it full price is $29. The ColourPop Shadow Palette, Valentine's favorite. Oh, regular price is $26. Now this Dr. Brandt's thing, the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. It's an award-winning pore refining mask. Is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. I don't know, it seems kind of harsh. And then the Brow Gal, the Insta Tint. That is regular. Oh, that okay. The Dr. Brandt is regular price $47. Then the Brow Gal is regular price $22, and the liquid lipstick is regular price $24. So you guys, that is a lot because BoxyCharm is only $21 a month. In case I didn't say that in the beginning, which I know I didn't this time, and most of you already know that. But in case you're new, it's a monthly subscription box and they're full size. And if you want to get you one down there. My feet are falling asleep really bad. So I'm gonna go and put this mask on. Or do we want to see what color it is? I keep telling myself I'm gonna go and then I do something else, right? Here. Ooh, it's got like little particles, little, like it's gonna, ooh, it's minty. Okay. I should read what it says, right? After cleansing, apply a thin layer to the areas of concern. Avoid eyes. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes until dry. Cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. So I'm just going to do it here on these spots. And I'll see you guys later. Now that we've seen what it looks like. See you later. I'm going to find my remote here on the floor. Okay. I don't want her to wake up. Todo está bien. Diles hola. Estamos haciendo un video. Adiós, amores. See you guys later. You guys, it is tightening up so strangely. It's okay, Matthias. Just wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like, because I hear this thing like that if you don't interact, they stop making you guys connect, you know, like, I don't know if it's true, probably is, because the algorithm's all messed up. My things show weird, so just so you know, we appreciate it when you do like and subscribe and comment. So this thing is weird. I'm gonna go wash it off. Bye. Hey, I hope you guys can see that's a good view. I don't know, but I've washed it off and it feels minty still. And yeah, I just wanted to see the after, and it feels like those little bumps have gone down. I'm sure it's no miracle, but that was that. And I don't think you've seen these well. I was reviewing the footage, and the lipstick, it's not long wear. It does smear. I'm trying to get good at this, you guys, but thank you. See you later. Bye.